According to the Health Canada Marijuana Medical Access Regulations, people with the following medical reasons can apply to obtain an authorization to possess marijuana for medical purposes under Category 1. Health Canada, for Category 1, lists these symptoms for cancer and HIV/AIDS. Also under Category 1 are multiple sclerosis with severe pain, spinal cord injury or spinal cord disease with muscle spasms, severe arthritis with severe pain, epilepsy with seizures, and compassionate end-of-life care. You can get the forms from Health Canada's website at www.healthcanada.gc.ca/MMA. Go to How to Apply, where you will find all the forms and instructions you need. You can also phone 1-866-337-7705 to request that the forms be sent to you by mail. We suggest that you also print out or obtain the applicant's guide, which clearly explains the process. Or you can contact Human at 416-253-1021 or email info@humanhemphealth.ca. Fill out Form A to apply for an authorization to possess, then get 2 passport photos made of you. Make an appointment with your doctor. Bring in Form B1 for your doctor to sign. You will also need to bring in 2 passport photos, which must be signed by your doctor. These photos will be valid for 5 years. Bring in the Canadian Medical Association's release form for medical practitioners, available at www.cmpa.org. Search for release form for medical practitioners. This form may help reduce your doctor's concerns about liability issues and get your doctor's support for your application. You will need to decide on how to obtain your cannabis. You have 3 legal options. First option is ordering the government's cannabis. For this, you need to complete Form E1 to access the Health Canada supply of dried cannabis. Or option 2, you can produce your own cannabis. For this, you need to complete Form C for personal cultivation. If you want to order seeds from Health Canada, complete Form E2 to access the Health Canada supply of cannabis seeds. Third option, you can designate someone to grow for you. Your grower must complete Form D for cultivation by a designated person. They must also supply 2 passport photos, which you have to sign, and have a criminal record check done at their local police station. You must select one of these options for your application to be processed and accepted. Do not identify a Compassion Club or Cannabis Club as your source or any other source other than the 3 legal options. If you do, your application will be returned to you and delay the process. If you will be growing cannabis where you live, you do not need your landlord's permission. If you are growing in a place other than where you live, or if your grower is growing in a place other than where he or she lives, permission must be obtained by the person who owns the property where the cannabis is grown. For this, Form F must be completed. Once you have gathered all of the applicable forms and information, make copies for your own files and make note of when you send the forms in. Mail your application to Marijuana Medical Access Division, Drug Strategy and Controlled Substances Program. Address locator number 3503B, Ottawa, Ontario, K1A 1B9. Processing times will vary. Be patient and follow up if you have not heard back after a month. Call the toll-free number at 1-866-337-7705 to get information about the status of your application. This is a call center that will most likely take your name and number and get back to you with the requested information.
info@humanhandhealth.school.